Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Pepe update. And now Pepe is trading at 1307. It has been a good time for the Pepe holders. Pepe 2 has been good, extraordinary. Pepe itself pretty much the same. And now, as I told you before, that I think the technical target of Pepe is up to 1617, and previously we saw a very clear break. All you did is move sideways, break to the upside, and then you came to the downside and made the pin bar, and all of a sudden now you actually made a successful retest. That's pretty much how it looks like. Now, I think there is a room of Pepe to just come a little bit lower down to 1243, and then eventually continue from there to go to the upside. This may just be a very small push down like this and then go to the upside. Not very clear, not very guaranteed it's going to happen that way, but I'm just going to leave things as simple as they look like at the moment. And all I can say is, again, the channel is extraordinary, and all you did is went up, came down like this, broke above the channel, came for the retest, jumped off the retest, and now you're moving to the upside. You can actually put a case that this is also a flag that got printed out, and that went from there to there, and this flag at the moment is actually looking to push you up to 1480 and 1617 probably. So that's all for this very quick update, and I'm going to see you the next one at office.